Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up the personal focus mode on your iPhone or iPad. First of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy. So let's jump into it. First of all, you want to open your settings, and in your settings menu you will see the focus point. If you have the new iPad OS 15 installed. If you don't, you have to install the new software update. I have another video about that as well, so if you have problems installing it, you can check out the video on my channel. So if you want to set up your focus personal menu, then when you open the focus menu, you tap on the personal section, and here you will see this short description which says, don't miss out, allow notifications from important people and apps, and silence the rest across all devices, and share your away. Let others know you're away with a status that says you have notifications silenced. So when you tap on next, it will show you how it works. So choose the people you want notifications from when this focus is on. Allow people, other people, allow. Then you can allow also applications, which applications you would like to receive notifications from. Then go to time sensitive. You can turn on time sensitive section as well. Then you go to allow. Then your focus is ready. Here are a few helpful things to know about it. On everywhere, when you turn on a focus, it's turned on across all your devices. Control center, you can turn on a focus and add off from control center. Choose your home screen. Limit distractions when focus is on by hiding home screen pages. So that's it. The personal focus section is turned on. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.